The best ATX motherboards provide superior performance, expandability, stable power delivery, and future-ready connectivity for gaming, content creation, and professional computing. My today's video is about top 5 best ATX motherboards that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Gigabyte B850AM 5 ATX motherboard. Built for enthusiasts and demanding users, this ATX motherboard delivers an excellent balance of performance, stability, and future-ready features. Supporting AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors through the AM5 socket, it provides a solid foundation for gaming, content creation, and multitasking. With 4 DDR5 DMM slots, you can take advantage of faster memory speeds, improved responsiveness, and greater system efficiency. The robust 14+2+2 power design ensures reliable power delivery, helping maintain stable performance even under heavy workloads or overclocking. Effective VRAM and M.2 thermal guards keep temperatures under control, protecting critical components and sustaining peak speeds during extended use. PCIe 5.0 support unlocks next-generation graphics cards and ultra-fast storage, while 3 M.2 slots offer plenty of room for high-speed SSD expansion. Modern connectivity options, including USB-C and sensor panel link, enhance convenience and customization. Overall, this motherboard is a dependable, feature-rich choice for anyone building a powerful, upgrade-friendly AMD desktop that's ready for future hardware advancements. Now our second product is Power's B75M ATX Compact Mainboard. The B75M motherboard is a practical and budget-friendly choice for users building or upgrading an older Intel LGA 1155 system. Compatible with Intel Core i7, i5, and i3 processors, it features 2 DDR3 memory slots that provide sufficient performance for everyday computing, office work, media playback, and light multitasking. Its built-in gigabit Ethernet port delivers fast and reliable wired internet connectivity, making it suitable for streaming, online browsing, and file transfers. VGA and HDMI outputs offer flexible display options, allowing easy connection to both legacy and modern monitors with crisp digital visuals. The motherboard's multi-phase power design ensures stable and efficient power delivery, helping maintain consistent CPU performance during extended use while improving overall system reliability. Constructed with durable PCB material, it offers dependable operation and long-lasting stability. While it lacks the latest technologies found in modern platforms, this motherboard remains an excellent value for restoring older PCs, creating affordable home or office computers, or extending the lifespan of compatible Intel hardware. Our third product is Machinist X99 motherboard. Designed for high-performance workstations and gaming systems, this X99 motherboard offers impressive value for users building around Intel Xeon E5v, E3/V4, or Core i7-5th/6th Gen processors. Its LGA 2011-3 socket, combined with the Intel C612 chipset, delivers reliable performance for demanding workloads, virtualization, video editing, and multitasking. 4-channel DDR4 memory support, including ECC and registered ECC compatibility, provides excellent bandwidth and system stability for professional applications. With 3 PCIe 3.0x, 4 NVMe M.2 slots, you can install multiple high-speed SSDs for rapid boot times and fast file transfers. Expansion is further enhanced by PCIe X16 and X4 slots, gigabit LAN, and TPM support for added flexibility. A 6-phase power design, dedicated VRM cooling fan, and thermal armor help maintain consistent performance during extended workloads. The included cooler bracket, SATA cable, and I/O shield simplify installation. Although setup requires careful attention to compatible CPUs, memory, and BIOS configuration, This motherboard delivers a powerful, feature-rich platform for enthusiasts and workstation users seeking excellent performance at an affordable price. Now number 4, Shang's Huayuan B85M Pro LGA 1150 motherboard. The B85M Pro motherboard is an excellent choice for users upgrading or rebuilding an Intel LGA 1150 system without overspending. Compatible with 4th Gen Intel Core i7, i5, i3, Pentium, Celeron, and Xeon E3 processors, it delivers dependable performance for everyday computing, office work, and light gaming. Dual-channel DDR3 memory support up to 32 GB provides smooth multitasking, while M.2 support with automatic NVMe and SATA switching offers faster storage performance than traditional hard drives. Expansion options are generous, including PCIe 3.0x16, PCIe X1, legacy PCI slots, SATA 3.0 ports, Gigabit Ethernet, and VGA, DVI, and HDMI outputs for flexible connectivity. Its 4-phase power design, all solid-state capacitors, and durable 8-layer PCB enhance long-term reliability and stable power delivery. Heat dissipation armor further improves thermal management during extended workloads. Although the package excludes a CR2032 battery and printed manual, the included SATA cable and I/O shield simplify installation. Overall, it's a reliable, feature-rich motherboard that offers excellent value for budget-conscious PC builders. And our last choice is MSI Mag B850 Tomahawk Max Wi-Fi motherboard. The MSI Mag B850 Tomahawk Max Wi-Fi is a premium ATX motherboard designed for enthusiasts who demand exceptional performance, reliability, and future-ready technology. Built for AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors, its powerful 14 duet rail 88 SPS VRM delivers stable power for intensive gaming, content creation, and overclocking. Advanced FrozerGuard cooling, featuring extended heat sinks, high-quality thermal pads, and easy M.2 Shield Frozr 2, effectively controls temperatures to maintain peak performance under heavy workloads. 4 DDR5 DMM slots support extreme memory overclocking up to 8400 plus MT/S, while the reinforced PCIe 5.0x16 slot is ready for next-generation graphics cards. Storage is equally impressive with 4 M.2 slots, including dual PCI Gen 5 connections for blazing fast SSD performance. Modern connectivity stands out with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, 5GB LAN, USB 20 gigabits per second Type-C, and high-quality audio Boost 5. Combining premium build quality, extensive expansion options, and cutting-edge features, this motherboard is an outstanding foundation for a high-end gaming or professional workstation. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.